Nestled in the heart of the Japanese Alps, Nagano is a city where ancient temples meet snow-capped peaks. It gained international recognition as the host of the 1998 Winter Olympics, and its world-class ski resorts still draw visitors from around the globe. But beyond winter sports, Nagano is rich in cultural heritage, home to the revered Zenko-ji Temple, a sacred Buddhist site with over 1,400 years of history. The temple welcomes all, regardless of faith, and holds one of Japan's oldest known Buddha statues. Surrounded by mountains, orchards, and hot springs, Nagano's natural beauty offers something in every season. In autumn, the forests blaze with fiery reds and golds, while spring brings cherry blossoms to peaceful mountain trails. Food lovers can savor local specialties like soba noodles, made from buckwheat grown in the highlands, and sweet, crisp apples. Whether you seek spiritual calm, adventure in nature, or a taste of traditional Japan, Nagano offers a serene and enriching escape.